Vocabulary. Check your understanding of the words and places in the books by matching them with their definition 1 to 10. Answer. 1. Asset. Anything owned by a company, cash, buildings, machines, etc. 2. Tax counting. Calculating how much tax an individual or a company should pay or trying to reduce this figure. 3. Auditing. Checking and evaluating financial records. 4. Cost counting. Determine the unit cost of a manufactured product, including indirect costs. 5. Financial accounting. Keeping financial records and preparing financial statements. 6. Liabilities. Money that a company will have to pay to someone else, bills, debts, interest, taxes, etc. 7. Bookkeeping. Recording transaction, purchase and sales in ledgers. 8. Income. The money that a company receives from supplying goods or services. 9. Expenditure. The money that a company spends. 10. Management accounting. The use of companies counting data by its managers for planning and control. Terjemahan. 1. Aset. Segala sesuatu yang dimiliki oleh perusahaan, baik berupa uang tunai, bangunan, mesin, dan lain-lain. Akuntansi pajak. Menghitung berapa banyak pajak yang harus dibayar oleh individu atau perusahaan, atau mencoba mengurangi angka ini. Audit. Memeriksa dan mengevaluasi catatan keuangan. Akuntansi biaya. Menentukan biaya unit per produk yang diproduksi, termasuk biaya tidak langsung. Akuntansi keuangan. Menyimpan catatan keuangan dan menyiapkan laporan keuangan. 6. Kewajiban. Uang bahwa perusahaan harus membayar kepada orang lain. Kewajiban berupa tagihan, hutang, bunga, pajak, dan lain-lain. Pembukuan. Pencatatan transaksi pembelian dan penjualan dalam buku besar. Pendapatan. Uang yang diterima perusahaan dari memasok barang atau jasa. Pengeluaran. Uang yang dikeluarkan oleh perusahaan. Akuntansi manajemen. Penggunaan data akuntansi perusahaan oleh manajernya untuk perencanaan dan pengendalian. Types of accounting. Answer. A. External auditors is about making sure that the management has sufficient control over what is going on in the company. B. Bookkeepers do the boring work recording transactions in purchase ledgers and sales ledgers. C. Senior accountants at financial controller and director level have to verify that a company's published financial statement give a true and fair view of its profit, its assets, and its liabilities. D. Internal editing. Interpret the transaction record by bookkeepers. E. Management accountant. Use counting data to make decisions about how the business should work. Terjemahan. Auditor eksternal adalah tentang memastikan bahwa manajemen memiliki kontrol yang cukup atas apa yang terjadi di perusahaan. Pemegang buku melakukan pekerjaan yang membosankan, mencatat transaksi ke dalam buku besar pembelian dan buku besar penjualan. Akuntan senior di pengontrol keuangan dan tingkat direktur harus memverifikasikan bahwa laporan keuangan yang diterbitkan perusahaan memberikan pandangan yang benar dan adil tentang laba, aset, dan kewajibannya. D. Pengeditan internal. Menginterpretasikan pencatatan transaksi oleh petugas pembukuan. Akuntan manajemen menggunakan data akuntansi untuk membuat keputusan tentang bagaimana bisnis harus diproses. Listening financial statement counting. There are 3 or 4 different statements that companies include in their annual report, which shareholders can legally expect to see. The key documents are the profit and loss accounts, the balance sheet, and a funds flow statements of some kind. In the US and under international financial reporting standards, the profit and loss account is called an income statement. This document is fairly self-explanatory. It's income less expenditure. The balance sheet is a statement showing what the company has and what it owes at the end of the year while the company is generating or consuming cash. The tax authorities' taxable profit is not the same as accounting profit, so they will expect to see reconciliation between the two. Exercise. Write the following figures when say it out loud. Answer. Number 1. In British English, 678,900,456,352. In American English, 678,900,456,352. 2. In British English, 9,985,789,755. In American English, 9,985,789,755. 3. In British English, 55,590,815,532. In American English, 55,590,815,532. 4. In British English, 5,345,768,100 Indonesian rupiah. In American English, 5,345,768,100 Indonesian rupiah. 5. In British English, 50,789,500,000 dollars. In American English, 50,789,500,000 dollars.